Yo, come with me to wash my dog, eh? So this is Barry. He's a professional sleeper. Hey, Bear. So, Bear, do you want to go get clean? Oh, you do, don't you? Yes. Oh, stretchies. So what do you want to do again? Get clean? Come on, Barry, let's go. Let's go get clean, yes. Bear's spot. What an attack dog. Come on, Bear, jump up. Come on, jump up. Got our second passenger right here. Say hello, Bear. So just at Pet One in Port Kennedy. So this is the party usually starts to get a bit scared. Come on, Bear, jump up. Jump up. Oh. So I had to lift him up. He's a bit scared. Hey, Barry. Stay here, buddy. It's okay. Good, Bear, win that collar. Let's rinse off the soap, Barry. Come on, no more soap now, Bear. That's a good boy. Bear. It's gonna skip straight to drying him. Good boy, Barry. Look at it fluffy. Give it a big shake, Bear. Come on. And this is Bear's favourite part, the towel. Hey, Bear. Sit, Bear. Good boy. Barry. Sit. Wait for cars, Bear. Wait. And cross. So we're all clean now, eh, Bear?